In this activity, you're going to look at one of the welcome additions to Microsoft Word. In older versions, 2007 and older, if you had a table and you wanted totals like you see down here in the bottom of this table, you would need to break out the calculator and add them up. Generally, if you did any kind of math, you always did it in Excel. You couldn't do it in a Word table. But in more modern versions of Word, you are now able to add formulas to your tables. So to show you how to do that, I'm working with a smaller version of that table, just some of the data. I don't have all of it in here, but you'll get the idea. If I want to add what's in this column, what I do is I go to my Layout tab, so I'm inside my table, go to the Table Tools Layout, and then the last section, the Data section, you'll see this button for Formulas. So actually I better make sure I have my cursor in the right cell. Make sure you have your cursor in the cell where you want the formula inserted. I accidentally have mine in the wrong one. So try that again. There we go. So the default is always going to be the sum function. Sum function, as you know, or the sum means to add. So it's going to add everything, which is actually what I want to do. And so it says sum above. So it's going to add everything it sees above. So the 12,400 and the 14,200, which is exactly what I want. And then if I want to modify the look of the number of the layout and choose like the dollar amount here, I can do that and hit OK, and there we go, added them together. And there are a number of other functions you can choose. Instead of just sum above, I can do average, I can do min, max. There are a number of options for the functions, but for this assignment, all you need to do is just sum, which is exactly what we did the last time. And one last time. And there we go. Now I have my totals.